How to change the order of photos on Instagram after you've already posted them. So it is a very simple question that I understand what you mean. Let's say you have a multiple post over here, a carousel post that you've posted with multiple pictures. So here you can see I have got 3 pictures uploaded. Now let's say I want to change the order of this photo, but directly there isn't an option to do so, but there's a simple trick that we can apply. That is that we just tap on the 3 dots icon over here. Then we go to edit. Now when we go to edit, you can see there is no option to change the order. But what we do is we want to delete a photo. Now don't worry, we are not going to permanently delete it. So what happens is, let me explain. If I delete the last photo over here, and then it will get stored to my recycle bin. And when I restore it, that last photo will be shown to the top of this post, so at the front. So you have to keep on doing this until it fits your liking. So if you want the middle one to be at the first, delete the middle post by tapping this little trash icon like this, then tapping on this delete button. Now let me show you. Currently this is at first and this is at second. Now what I'll do is I'll restore that middle one that I actually deleted just now. So let me just save the changes and just refresh it once like this. Then again tap on 3 lines icon, then go to your activity, then scroll down and go to recently deleted. And from here you can see the post that we recently deleted. So this is the post that we deleted out of that carousel post. So tap the 3 dots, then tap on restore to restore this post. Now that when we restore it, let me show you the simple trick that happens. Now I'll just refresh it again. And when we restore it, what happens is that post will be moved to the top of this post. If you can see, what you can do is, if you want that, it will go to the last. So sorry, my bad, it doesn't go to the first, but it goes towards the end. So what you want to do is you want to keep on doing this until it fits your liking. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.